What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you more tips and tricks for your iPhone. So let's start. Did you know that you can go back to previous section in settings faster? If not, then this trick will show you how to do it. Instead of pressing back button few times, you can press and hold back button and choose particular section to which you want to go back. Let's say I'm deep in settings menu and need to tap few times to go back to main menu. I don't need to tap back button few times, but simply press and hold back button and choose section to which I want to go back. Just like that. This will definitely make the navigation in settings menu faster and easier. So now you should definitely try this method. Brilliant feature. iOS 16 finally enabled battery percentage on status bar. In order to turn this feature on, go to your phone's settings, then battery and turn on battery percentage. Now you'll finally know how much battery left in your iPhone. Did you know that your iPhone can show your Wi-Fi password? If your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi network, you can easily see the password of your network. Go to settings, then Wi-Fi, press information mark and press on password. After Face ID will scan your face, you'll see your password. Did you know that you can open new tab in Safari browser faster using swiping gesture? Instead of tapping on tabs, then plus button and open new tab, try to do this. You can simply swipe left. You can also switch between tabs by swiping left or right. Very useful feature, don't you think? You can also switch between different apps using the same gesture. Just simply swipe on the bottom part of your iPhone screen, right or left, in order to switch between apps. Did you know that there is a faster way to bring an app to your home screen? Sometimes using an iPhone can be a little bit complicated, but there is a solution to this matter as well, and I will show you how to make things faster, easier and more intuitive. Instead of finding the app from all apps, you can simply swipe down, type the name of your app on your home screen, then find the app and drag it to your home screen. Very simple. There is a much faster way to send any file that you want. Let's say I want to send a photo. So choose photo that you want to send, then press and hold it. Find the app in which you want to send this photo, and that's all. How simple is that? What's more, you can also cut the subject from the background of your photo and also send it. Just simply tap and hold on the subject, and system will automatically cut out the subject from your photo. This feature is brilliant, and personally I use it a lot. Hope you'll find this video useful and see you in the next one. Peace.